Hi, I'm Gloria with HPWP Group, and I just want to share my favorite topic, PIPs, Performance Improvement Plans. And last week I attended a session on why PIPs are a good thing. Not surprisingly, it was led by lawyers. They tried to keep it light, they tried to put some humor into it, but the reality is it came down to two key things is what I took away from it. The first point is that we have to compensate for managers who aren't good at giving feedback or are reluctant to give feedback. And then, of course, the second point was really all about documenting everything because somebody might sue. I get it, legal protection is important, but if our go to tool for improvement is built around fear and liability, what are we even doing? PIPs don't fix the root cause of the performance gap, and they don't build trust or ownership. And that's why we teach something completely different, high performance coaching. We guide leaders to uncover what's really driving performance gaps. And once the cause is clear, people are really able to identify their own solutions. It's their plan. They commit, it drives change, and performance gaps close faster with less conflict, more trust, and legally defensible too. So if you want to resolve performance gaps, let's talk. I'm happy to share more and invite you to attend one of our workshops. Thanks.